Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome back at my channel. Today is the second lecture of physics. So, question number 1, the unit of force is Newton. Question number 2, the kinetic energy of an object depends on its mass and velocity. Question number 3, the device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called battery. Question number 4, heat is the form of energy. Question number 5, ampere is related with electric current. Question number 6, Earth completes its rotation around the Sun in 365 days and 6 hours. Dear friends, please subscribe my channel और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह.